Hey, hello guys, back to my channel Amazing DIY, and today I'm going to tell you how to download GTA 5 for your PC. I found many of the videos in YouTube, but some they are not working so good and they are not so clear cut. So to download the game and to download GTA 5 game, the link sometimes the link are not work, something other difficulties are you have to face their cracking problems, the activation code the game want. So today I tell you how I download this game and how I will play this game. So I download this game 8 months ago. So now I think that I will tell you how to download it, because many people are going and they did not find a proper setup of this game and they do not able to download this game. So in the description of this video you will find two links. There is two links, this one link and this two links I will mention in the description. The first one is the pirateway.org. It's also torrent link, and the second link is that. So I prefer go for the second link because the first one is same as the second, but second is work free, so it is good. So copy this link, second link in from description. If second link is not working, then you will go for first link. The both our setups are same, but you find the second link is more supportive and good and fast download. You will do downloadation of this game is fast from the second link. So copy that link. So I will copy this link and minimize it and go to your browser and paste in URL and just enter. So here you find these torrent sites. So the working site is the good working site is this limetorrent.cc or speedfree.me. So go for speedfree.me. I will go for it. So open, right click on it and open link in new tab. So here the tab. So here you see the written on your requested URL has been blocked as per the direction received from Department of Telecommunication, Government of India. So I am from India, and here the Department of Telecommunication banned this URL. So how to open this URL? In my channel you will find a video on that, to how to open blog sites. So find the video, you will get easily that video. So far to open this I have a software, and when you find that video how to open blog site, you will also find a software of 3 to 5 MB. so download that software, it is easily available. The software is this is Pixophone 3, it is 4.90 MB software. So just download it and first watch the video and download that. This video is on my channel. So when you download this, it will look like this, and just click on it, double click on it and close, and soon you found that this will written on it, this is connected. So here you find some sub, and this will automatically connect it, and after it connect, this software ask you how you want to open this thing. So you do not do nothing, just click anywhere in the screen, not in this box. Here I will click. So here you see it is connected. So minimize this and now go to your browser, and here the link which is blocked by our Department of Telecommunication of Government of India. So refresh this page, and this page is open by the help of this proxy software. So now this software is opened. You see this is open. So this is a trick. I will close it. I will show you. Now go for this, not speedpreview.me. I will go for that. This is also banned in India. So open this link, and here you see this is open. Very good. It takes some time, but it open. Any country where the link is blocked by anyone, so use this software. The software name is PISphone. So check out my channel video. You find a video where I will show you how to download this software. This is very good software. So after that, I open this first link, torrentreactor.com. From this link, the page is open. So go for that, download torrent, and you will also for magnet link. So I use this magnet link. So click on it and launch application. And after you launch application, here this ask you where you want to place the setup. Here is the setup of 59 GB. So download it 59 GB setup ISO file. So when you do OK, and it will start. So I already downloaded, so I don't want to download it. So cancel this, and so after the donation of complete the donation, the next step is how to. Here is the the download is complete. Here you see 58.6 GB. This is Nana. So this is ISO file. So extract here, and it will take some time, and you will see that some files are extract. One more thing is I have to cancel that if you have any kind of one thing, I have to delete this. Now this is the setup which is downloaded by torrent. And one thing, from to extract it, please right click on your any antivirus, right click and go for advanced shield control. I have advanced, so I have go for and disable permanently for some time. And here I disable and extract this ISO file. Extract, go and open with Venaria or other extracting software. So I have Venaria, so I extract here. So now if you have antivirus, then please shut down that antivirus, because they see this cracked game as a virus, because it is illegal. So the antivirus see this as a illegal work. So first turn off your antivirus, and it will take some time. The process takes some time to extract. The main thing of this setup that when it is fully extracted, then you don't need to install. After that, you don't need to install game. The game is self-installed, and I will show you how to crack that game. First, wait for the process. When it will fully extract, it takes some time. So go for it, and I will show you how to crack this game. But you need this setup, only this setup, not any other setup, only this 59 GB setup you need. So it takes some time to uninstall. to extract, so hold for that. And here see it take around 1 hour to extract. So this is a folder where extraction is placed, and this is ISO file, and these are the folder which are extract from this, and it take around 1 hour to extract after downloadation is complete. And here you see the extraction is complete. And first of all, delete these two files. We don't need this file. If these are in your after extraction, you will see these files, so delete these files. I don't need this. And go to your this file patch and fixer and icon last icon, and here you see readme first. It is not work for me, so I don't do this. And after that you see GTA 5 patch of GTA 5, and here is installer. So first you have to install this social club setup of Grand Theft Auto. So open this with administrator and run as administrator and install it anywhere you want to install in your drive. So I want to install it setup with it takes some time to open. So for that, please turn off your internet connection for some time. So I turn off my internet connection, and here you see the setup is open of social club of Rockstar Games. So do next, accept the agreement, next, and show details, and it will install on my C drive. So wait for some time till it installed. So installation is complete. Now close it and backspace, and let me close this software. And this link, don't forget this link, how to download GTA 5. These links are in description. Go and download this then. Now after installation, we install this. Go back, and this is the ISO file, and these are two files, those are extract from it. And here you see other file, the main file. You don't need an installation. So here you see the manage folder. So you need to backspace and go this patch and fixture. There you install, there is installer of social media club. So now go for go for language changer, run it, right click on it and merge it and run it. And yes, adding information, now yes, and the key value contain language has been successfully added to registry. So okay. So after that you have to go to GTA 5 patch, open it. This is this, if you see this, then delete this, and we need this GTA 5 patch. If you don't get this in download, so there is a link in description where you find this GTA 5 patch. So go click on that link and you will able to download this 1.83 MB patch. This patch is needed to crack the game. So right click on it and run as administrator, and window smart screen cannot read the so run anyway. And yes, much tender. And here you see this activation and cracker is opened. So select the game where install. So we extract the game where the main file of games. We extract the ISO file and these two files. So this is the main file of 60.4 GB. So you have to locate this. So browse the file. So I install this file in my this PC, and I think I install it in D. Go in my D and setups and here the game setups, and here I will store it in GTA 5. And here you see the main, this is the main GTA 5 auto, and here the GTA 5 auto. Click on it and OK. Now the directory, you also click here and copy this and just paste here. The same thing is here. So go and click on activate, and here you see some Chinese words are there, so OK that. And here you see GTA 5 activated. Now close that. Okay. And here you see the GTA 5 activated. Now you will enjoy. So not now the game is activated, because one more step for that. OK, and close it and close that also. So here you find some new things, this 3DM launcher and things, some things are changed. So go back again in patch and fixer, and just merge this language changer and run it, and yes, and OK. So it will change the Chinese language. So backspace, and after that in description you also get one link of this. I'll show you what is this GTA 5. I will extract here. This is the password is show password. I will show you. The password is my mobile number 977923911. This is my mobile number. So this is the password of that cracked thing, and OK that. This is the password 977923911. Please don't forget this, and OK on it, and it start. So from this GTA 5 you got this non-USA and USA. If you are in USA, then copy this and paste here in main files. If you are not in USA, then copy this. So I am not in USA, so I have to copy this and go to this and just paste this. So I paste this, and now I have to run the game on this, not with others, on your non-USA. So I put this file in and link of this file description as well, and as well as the patches and fixture, so you will able to get crack this game. So I will show you. The game is running now, and this is the game folder, so enter, and yes, and it will change your date and time automatically, and your game is run automatically. Hope so. So let's see. Don't click anything, don't do anything, your game is going to launch, and it takes some time for first time, because the first time it takes some time to load. So don't worry what happened. My whole screen is, and here you see the game is start. Hope for the best that it will crack, and here you see on right, top right, 3DM games one. That means it will crack it. It will crack. One more thing, you see that how that it will run when there is some pictures are coming and shown, and here you see loading story mode. This means your game is cracked, and you will able to play the game. So wait for some time. First time the story mode take time to load, and after that you will able to play the game. So I'm waiting to tell you how the game is look like. Please do all steps that I do in this video. If you skip any of the steps, the game is not correct. It is very easy and simple. And sorry for my bad English, because I don't know English very much. If you have any problem in this game, how to download it, how to crack it, please comment below. I will help you. I will always online, and I will help you. So comment on this video if you have any problem. So comment below if you have any problem to open this game, or to crack this game, or to download this game. I will tell you how to do that. But first, please like, comment this video, and comment, and watch my other videos. Now I think story mode take some time when it load first time, and after that it will smoothly run on your PC. And there is my saves in of this game in my PC, so it is saved in, and here you see the game is looking like. The game is cracked, and here you see the game. I will show you. Right now I do this crack in my laptop, so it have some lags because it is GTA 5, not another game, so it takes so much of memory. And here you see the game GTA 5 game is totally cracked, and you will be able to play this game. You will wander everywhere. Yes, there is a bug in some missions of this game, but you will play and make money. You will do many other things. So all cities opened, and you will be able to do some missions, start a mission. So this is a video how to download GTA 5 and how to crack it. If you have any question, if you're not able to do that, then please comment below in this video and I will tell you how to do that. It is very easy, not a rocket science to crack this game. So if you like my video and think that it is helpful for you, then please like my videos, comment on my videos, please watch my other videos and please subscribe to my channel Amazing DIY. I will tell you about my channel. I have a very good channel, please subscribe me. I need your help to raise my channel up. Amazing DIY. Here you find many other things, many other cracking, many other tips related to how to do crack. I will show you youtube.com. Go to youtube.com and here you see the clock is behind. Clock is behind because the crack will change. Sorry for the background noises. In India, all are mad. I am living in apartment, so it takes time from there. So today is 8th June. So I have gone from June of 8 to open my browser because June and not June, this is July, 8th July 2016. Time is 4:17 PM. Okay and okay, no, time and date is changed, so I have to reopen my browser. This is the one problem to play this game, because this game, cracked game, changed your PC time and now you will able to access websites. So in description you will find the link of my channel also. Please like my channel, subscribe my channel, please hit that fucking red button. This is my channel and here you find many other things. Please hit this subscribe button. Please hit. I have only very less subscribers. Please hit on this fucking red button. I will need your help. And this is all my other videos, and here the video will telling about you how to crack, how to open any. I will show you how to open a blog website. On this you will find that if you have any difficulties to open a blog URL, then please watch this video. This will help you. And this is my channel Amazing DIY. Please subscribe my channel, like my videos. Hope you like this video and thanks for watching my channel. Hope this will help you and you will be able to enjoy the game. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.